Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we will obtain maps for group of layers. As we have discussed previously, here I will open our Sahara project, you can sum or aggregate the maps that you have by clicking on several layers. For example, here I'm plotting the oil in place for the layer number 17, and by clicking on shift here I can create the original oil in place map for the whole field, for the whole project. But as you can imagine, this map, this grid here, we can check the grid here, is not going to be associated to any map on any layer. It's just new information that has been generated now that we are visualizing, but we may want to actually create this map in Sahara or to import it or maybe even to export it to other software. So what we can do here is using this report here, we can click on map XYZ, and here we will have a new map that will be the coordinates x and y and the original in place, the value of the original in place for all these different grids. So we have the value inside each of these grids that defines the new map that has been created. You can change the the grid of the map if you want by modifying it here if you want more or less detail on your map. And here now we will use this option to actually import this original oil in place map to the field level, because we are summing or aggregating the original oil in place on all the layers. So now we will click on save here, and now we will have a txt file that will be the export for the for the map that we have created. So we will call it total original oil in place and save it. And now this txt file has been saved, and we can import it as any other map, which we will do now. So we can go here, map and lines, map, and import the txt file. So now we'll open it, and here we can see the total original in place map based on the txt file that we have already exported. So now we will select, we will define it on the field level, because this will be the original in place of the whole field. The variable will be original oil in place, and the units are barrel per acre. In this case, is already defined by Sahara, has already been identified. So everything else is okay, and we will just import it. And now if we change the structure of the layer selection, we can see that we have this original oil in place in each different layer, but when we go to edit layer selection, we will select the field level only, and now we have the same map that we have created, but aggregating the original in place in each of the layers. So that will be everything for this tutorial. Remember that in any case that you want to use the maps created by aggregation of different layers, you can always select them with this option here, with this report, and export that report and then import it back as a map. You can also, for example, export those new created maps by Sahara. You are creating new information after all by aggregating these different maps. You can also export them to other software by using this same tool. So that will be everything for this tutorial, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.